It's now time to complete Lesson 4, Chapter 5, Working with Document Backgrounds. Click Learn and Continue. With the New Adventures Approved document open, click the Design tab, and in the Page Background group, click Watermark and then click Custom Watermark. So in the Design tab, in the Page Background group, click Watermark, scroll towards the bottom, and choose Custom Watermark. So these are your choices. You're going to click Text Watermark, and in the text field, type Internal Use Only. So we're going to click on Text Watermark, and in the text field, it currently says ASAP, so I'm going to backspace that out and type Internal Use Only. And that means a business would only use it for its own employees. They wouldn't share this with people outside their business. Next, click the arrow for the font field and click Arial Black. Here's the font field currently on this font, and we're going to change it to Arial Black. And remember, fonts are listed alphabetically, so I'm going to scroll up till I can find the A section. There it is, Arial Black. And then click the arrow for the color field, click green from the standard colors, and then click OK. Here's the color field. I'm going to come down to the standard colors and choose green. Make sure you choose the regular green, not the light green. And click OK. Mark as answered and click Next. Reduce the zoom to approximately 60%. So at the bottom of the field, you can use the minus here to reduce it to 60, or you can click and drag. Notice how the watermark appears on the page. Also notice how the color selected for the watermark may be too dark because the report is mostly text. Change the zoom back to 100%. There we go. Mark as answered and click Next. Click the Design tab, and in the Page Background group, click Page Color, and then click Olive Green, Accent 3, Lighter 80%. So on the Design tab, we're going to come over here to Page Color, and we're going to choose Olive Green, which is this column here, and we're going to go slowly, so as we rest our mouse on each color, it gives us the name. So here is Accent 3, Lighter 80%. Great. It's kind of towards the top. Okay. So you can see the change it made to your document. Now we're going to click Page Color once more, and this time choose Blue, Accent 1, Lighter 60%. So find the blue column, Accent 1, Lighter 60%. Here we are. So it makes a change to the document. Click the Page Color button once more, and this time click No Color. In the same group, click Page Borders. Here's Page Borders. And Borders and Shading box pops up. In the Setting list, click Box. Here's the setting list towards the left. I'm going to click on Box. In the second panel, click the arrow for Art, and then click the gray diamond design. It should be a bit more than halfway down the list. So here is the second panel, kind of towards the middle, and at the bottom find the Art field. And you're going to scroll quite a ways. It says it is slightly more than halfway down. Alright, here's one that looks gray, so you might be fooled by this one, but remember, we're looking for a gray diamond design. So keep going, and here it is. Next, in the width field, change this measurement to be 8 points. The width field is directly above the Art field, and it's already at 12, so we're going to press the down arrow until it gets to 8 points. And click OK. Change the zoom to be approximately 50%. There we go, and you can see our page border. To modify the page border, click Page Borders once more. So I'm coming up here and clicking Page Borders. And just a reminder, we are on the Design tab. In the Preview area, on the right side of this box, click the border buttons for the left and right side to turn these borders off. So this is the left side border. When I click it, you'll notice the border preview, it disappears. And now we're going to click the right side. Click OK. The borders for the left and the right side no longer display. Mark as answered and click Next. On the Design tab, in the Document Formatting group, that's this area here, click the More button for the gallery. This is the gallery. And the More button is this drop-down arrow. And point at different document styles to see which one might be suitable. You'll notice as you point out, it slightly changes on your screen. Assume you're not sure which document set to use and decide you may want to apply a theme instead to enhance the appearance. On the Design tab, in the Document Formatting group, click Themes. It's over here on the left. Point at some of the themes where the main color is green. So here's one with the main color that's green. I see this a lighter green and a lime green. You should notice that different types of text change in color and font based on options defined in a theme. Let's say you like the green color used in the Facet theme, but you don't like the font. Click Facet in the list of themes. And remember, if you just put your cursor over the item, it will tell you the name of it. And then it's also listed here. Click Facet. Mark as answered and click Next. On the Design tab, in the Document Formatting group, click Fonts. We're going to scroll through the fonts and click the Georgia font. Okay, so let's scroll through till we get to the Georgia font. Here it is. Let's click it. Now select a document style set to use with this document. On the Design tab, in the Document Formatting group, click the More button again, and then click the Lines Simple Style Set. Remember, to see the name of the style set, you just put your mouse on it. Okay, basic stylish, basic simple. Okay, we're gonna keep going. And we're looking for one called Lines Simple. Oh, here's one called Lines Distinctive. We're getting close. And here's the one called Lines Simple. So click to select it. Mark as answered. You'll notice it's got that new styles to it. And click Show Results. Click Yes to continue. And great. You have now completed Lesson 4, Chapter 5.